Hello friends, first of all, watch these all nicely designed houses. You must have seen this kind of videos on social medias, or you have seen these handed over by your architect to you. But with the evolution of AI, you can also design your home or office with the fraction of time by yourself using AI enabled tool. So in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can use this kind of tool and create entire interior by yourself and render it within seconds. So let's get started. First of all, come to the tools website. You can find the link in the description. So once you click on that, you can get to the Coohom's landing page. Here you can see that Coohom provides features like home floor plan, room planner, 3D render home design, kitchen design, with which you can design interiors of any of your place. So let's get started. So first we have to click on login button on the right side. After that, you have to log in with your Google account. One of the best feature of this tool is its rendering capabilities. Within just a few minutes, it gives you the entire render. As you can see on the screen, this is how you can render your entire design in Coohom. As soon as you log in, here you will see many reference images like bedrooms, kitchen, etc. You also filter them according to space, style, etc. Now we have to create a new project. For this, bring your cursor to the new project option. Here you can see three options are given: new 3D project, new kitchen and closet project, new house design project. We will click on new 3D project option, but you can select as per your need. As soon as we click, here you will see two boxes. In the first one, you can upload your floor plan. For example, I am uploading base map file. On the screen, you can see the floor plan. You can upload floor plans in JPG, PNG, PDF, CAD format and design the interior. Since we want to create a new one, we will click on create blank project. Here you can see the editing dashboard has opened. In the center, you can see Coohom AI has provided a ready-made floor plan. If you want to delete it, you can do so. In the header, click on clear menu. Here you can clear decoration, dimension, furniture, ceiling, custom furniture, reference separately, or clear at all once. I will clear everything. Now to start designing the interior, first of all, you have to start drawing your floor. For this, in the left side menu, under the floor menu, draw room section. You can drag and drop straight wall, rectangular wall, arc wall, etc. After creating the walls, you can drag and drop windows and doors. Here you can see I dragged and dropped a rectangular wall. To change its size, you can adjust from the left side according to your floor map. As another example, I will drag a straight wall so you can see how it works. On the right side, you can see the 3D live view. There is also an import and export option which supports JPG, PDF and CAD files. Now the next feature is model. When you click on it, you will see options like construction, finishes, furniture, lighting, kitchen, bathroom, home decor, appliances, outdoor and commercial design. For interior design, you need all these things. For example, this is my bedroom. So I will click on furniture. Here you can see beds, you can see chair, tables, etc. Suppose I want a bed, I will click on it. You can see many different beds. You can choose whichever you like. I like this one, so I will drag and drop it here. From here, you can also rotate it. Now let's add some more models as example. Let's try light. Click on lighting, then choose whichever you like and drag it. For now, I will place it here as an example. From here, you can also rotate it. Now let's try another example with home appliances. Click on appliances, choose whichever you want. So I will choose a TV, then drag and drop it. On the right side, you can see how it looks in 3D view. So this was Coohom's model feature. Now the next feature is advanced tools. Let's see how it works. Click on it. Here you will see options like material and component, kitchen and bath, closets, door and windows, custom modeling. First, let's look at material and components. These features allows you to apply different texture and material on walls, floor, etc. For example, if I want this material on my wall, I just click on it, drag it and drop it. Similarly, if I want to change the floor material, you can see paving options on the left side. I can click on it and I can change paving style as per my choice. You can also control gaps, color, etc. On the right side, you will see many material options. You can try them out. In the header, there are also some settings which you can apply. I'm just showing this as an example of how Coohom works. Now the second option is kitchen and bath. Let's try it out. Here all the elements for kitchen and bathroom design are given. You can drag and drop as per your need. On the right side you can see the public catalog, manufacturer's catalog, personal catalog, advanced tools, from where you can also choose furniture brand. The third option is closet. Let's check that out. Here you can see cabinets, tables, decor items and more items which you can drag and drop easily. The fourth option is doors and windows. Here you will see many doors and windows options which you can drag and drop into your design and you can view it into the 3D on the right side. So you can choose based upon your floor plan. The fifth option is custom modeling. This is useful when you want to create a base models and scenarios. On the right side, you will see models which you can use as per your requirement. Now the fourth feature of Coohom is render, which is my favorite one. Click on it and you can see perspective view of your floor. Here you can also see the 360-degree camera angle view. You can also see the top view of your house from here. The next option is video, which I am waiting since long time. Through video, you can see the entire video tour of your own house. For this, click on Edit Camera Path. On the right, you will see lens setting, from which you can adjust the camera angles as you want. There is also video template option. From here, you can apply video template to your interior design project. Now the fifth option is drawing. So let's click on it. Here, you will see three options: construction drawing, floor plan drawings and quotation. First is construction drawing. When you click on it, you can see it automatically generates a construction drawing wireframe for your floor in a click. Second is floor plan drawing. On the right, you can see the floor plan style options which you can apply. From here, you can change color style, shadow, background color, etc. The third option is quotation. This generates the estimated cost of all the materials and items used in your interior. Again, in just one click. Now the last and sixth option is AI. Click on it and here you can see three options: AI template style, AI template ceiling, AI image generator. For example, I will click on AI template style. On the left, you will see templates which you can choose and apply. Now let's see Coohom's AI footer panel. Here you can adjust the opacity of walls and floor, keeping only the model visible. The next option is 2D, where you can view floor, ceiling, elevation in 2D format and easily change materials. The next option is 3D, where you can see top views and walkthrough views. In walkthrough, you can move inside the floor using arrow keys. Next is hide option, where you can separately hide and show ceilings, furniture, structure, models, etc. After that is the graphic, where you can change the style of your floor, cartoon, white model, transparent, the way you want, you can choose it. Then comes lock, which lets you lock any object. Precise layout shows edge midpoint guides. Camera movements lets you adjust movement speed. Then there is a reset view, zoom in and zoom out. Now let's see the header of Coohom. Here is the file option where you can save or save as. Then is undo, redo, the clear options we already used. Next is toolkit, where you get options like material, brush, reference line, measure, dimension, annotation, array, floor plan, flip, etc. On the screen, you can see how this tool works. For example, how material brush works, how measure tool works, how dimension tool works. You can try them out yourself. On the right side panel, you can see the 3D view of the floor. From here, you can also change wall heights, width, etc. So this was the full AI tool review of the tool Coohom AI. If you found anything useful in entire video, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it with your interior designers, manager who use these kind of tools every day. If you want to support me, there is a support button at the bottom. See you in the next time.